If you're tired of pretending your garden hose is a pressure washer and want something that actually, well, pressures the jet, then let's dive into the JetHose pressure washer. Before we get our hands wet, please don't forget to like and subscribe for truthful, no-fluff reviews to help you avoid splashing your cash. JetHose markets itself as the ultimate hydro-power device, promising to turn your regular garden hose into a powerful cleaning machine that blasts grime away like it's running for office. The sales pitch is impressive. Claims of instant stain removal, 10 times faster cleaning, and compatibility with any standard hose. Sounds like a dream for your patio, car, or fence. But here comes the splash of cold water. JetHose is basically a glorified, fancy garden hose nozzle. Real pressure washers rely on pumps that crank out pressure between 1,500 to 3,000 psi, pounds per square inch. By contrast, your garden hose itself provides roughly 40 to 60 psi. Narrowing the water flow with a nozzle can make the jet feel a bit stronger, but it doesn't magically turn your hose into a professional pressure washer. So if you are expecting to blast away embedded dirt or oily grime, you might want to lower your expectations. The build feels lightweight and made from basic plastic, more on the budget side than pro-grade equipment. It has 2 spray modes, a focused jet for those tough spots, and a broader spray for general rinsing. It can help wash off light dirt and dust, but don't count on it for deep stain removal or heavy-duty jobs. Customer reviews on independent platforms paint a mixed picture. Many users mention receiving the product in less than ideal packaging, concerns over durability, and that the cleaning power is more meh than wow. Plus, some buyers were irked by confusing billing practices and long shipping times, since the product is fulfilled through international dropshipping, not stocked locally. One red flag: the marketing features logos like Forbes and Yahoo, but these are not confirmed endorsements, just a trust-building tactic. Also, some before and after photos used in ads are pulled from unrelated sources, which definitely waters down credibility. In summary, JetHose is decent if you want a sharper-than-average garden nozzle to rinse away light grime or water the garden with a bit more gusto. But calling it a pressure washer is a stretch, more like a garden hose in a fancy costume. For serious cleaning, stick to trusted pressure washers and skip the hype. If you want honest cleaning tech advice without the watered-down hype, JetHose probably won't blow you away. But it might help if you just need a no-nonsense hose upgrade. Thanks for sticking till the end. Please like and subscribe for more honest reviews. Stay savvy and keep those jets pressure tested.